Hi everybody, it is cold and flu season and nothing is better for that cold or the flu or even when it's cold outside than a big warm bowl of chicken noodle soup. My son loves homemade chicken noodle soups. Here is what you will need to make your chicken noodle soup. 4 cups of a free-range chicken broth, 2 ounces fine egg noodles, 1 large celery stalk, you want to dice that up, 1 large carrot peeled and diced, 1 medium onion coarsely chopped, 1 cup cooked chicken breast cubed, 1 clove of garlic minced, a pinch of coarse black pepper, and salt to taste. First, bring your chicken broth to a boil. Add the pasta and the remaining prepared vegetables. As well as the chicken. Cook until the pasta is tender but firm, about 4 to 5 minutes. Garnish with 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. Enjoy.